you just like that. Yo, this tea was good, bro. Actually, let me sort myself out because I'm actually gonna have to swap monitors. I'm gonna have to swap around. So give me 2 seconds. That's gonna have to be on that monitor. Discord up top, Streamlabs there. Actually, I love Streamlabs up top. This can be down here. That works! What's good, boys? Yeah, we're looking at futures today, man. We have started to look at futures. ACG actually bust us. I mean, we only really be doing it on these New York streams now, but on these New York streams, I'm going to start looking at futures. ACG bust us a 200k futures account, so why in the fuck not? 6% target, absolutely beautiful. So we're going to see how good we do, boys. I'm brand new to futures, man. I'm fucking brand spanking new. I always look at equities, so I feel like I can get a decent bias fundamentally. But technically, of course, it's a different session, so we're gonna have to look at it in a little bit of a different way. Bro's date. All right, sorry, boys. Let me get myself set up on TikTok actually. Daylight saving. Sorry, what was your question, bro? Is daylight saving time still in place, or what will New York Open be in the US? So it's all back to normal now, bro. So 2:30 is the normal open right now for the New York Stock Exchange Open. So that's about 9:30 New York time. In the UK, where I'm at, it's 2:30. So yeah, we're pretty much doing a bit of pre-open analysis. See if we can get some early AM New York trades, because in this new indicator that Vish made for us, one of our members, one of our lifetimers, one of the familias, we've added New York AM, New York lunchtime, and also we've added New York PM session. So yeah, we're looking to trade those. But boys, welcome. This is my first time trading futures. The reason why I'm doing it mainly because, one, they busted us for free. I mean, who the fuck says no to a 200k account? I do not. I am one of those gentlemen that is going to grab that account with both hands and put it in my mouth. Okay, I'll take that back. Let me get on TikTok and just shut up. Thank God I wasn't on TikTok before I said that. Yeah. Here we go. Bottom left's probably best for the camera, innit? I think maybe. This isn't straight. It's just fucking annoying. But yeah. So the market open is right now. No, market open's not now. New York Stock Exchange Open isn't right now. We've still got about just under an hour, brother. Yeah. Yo, don't watch that though, man. I didn't mean it in that way. Bro, it just sounded gay, innit? I'm not gonna lie. What do you mean, bro? Forgot this is the reason why I had that Bluetooth mouse. But yeah, we're looking for Nasdaq to continue down here, really. I'm looking for Nasdaq to continue down, S&P to continue down. Yeah, I'm looking for equities to have a little bit more of a rebalance. Pretty much just to that Friday 50. I mean, realistically, where I'm looking at is we've still got these imbalances to the left. It looks like price is strong. So, I mean, in a big time, I mean, how I'm going to be trading Nasdaq's a little bit different to how I would trade London session. It's not going to be off grabbing a low. I'm looking for essentially just a continuation of the higher time frame. Just be looking at supply areas, demand areas, and then go from there. Let me get myself on that, boys. Traderfire YouTube live stream for the absolute beautiful. Okay, well, let me do a little bit of fucking digging quickly. Traderfire. Traderfire UK. Let's have a look with. She's buff, but she's got a really long head, bruv. Really long head. She's got a head like a fucking, like a paddleboard. She's got a long ass head, bro. I'll be honest. She's buff though. Long hair bit. What are they over there trading? Nasdaq. They're trading futures as well. Oh no, they're not even trading futures. They're just trading equities. I think. Are they just trading equities? Yeah, they're just trading S&P and Nasdaq. But mainly, I am looking for price to start moving up on Nasdaq. We've had that deep enough retracement on that 4-hour daily to the left, and now I'm looking for price to start coming back up. We obviously had the all-time high created on both S&P and the Nasdaq. I'm just essentially looking for price to continue back up now, as we've had that deep enough retracement to the sell side. In terms of CRT, we still have this bullish to the upside, so this is kind of mainly what I'm... No, complete wrong fucking candle. In fact, there's no CRT there. I don't know if I'm bunning. Wrong pair? Okay. Okay, now this is all completed now. That's all completed. But we're still moving to the upside. That actually closed below, so that's not even valid. But we're looking for that to continue up. I'm not in nothing right now. I'm currently not in nothing. Let me get my announcements in. But I want to see, essentially what we want to see here is a trade through. If we are going to continue this bullish momentum, as we can see on sort of the 15-minute time frame. Now we're in the higher time frame, fair value in the 4-hour. We're now within this range after breaking this low. So this high to this low is essentially where I'm looking for price to change character. So if we break this higher or just trade through this fair value, then I'm looking for the BPR to continue up. Essentially that is the trade through and then the trade back to a fair value area. So I'm looking for price to essentially move off that higher time frame. This is Nasdaq, bro. Let me get my announcement shot in. Actually, I just realised I didn't even send them. No, I didn't even send those in. But yeah, this is Nasdaq, bro. Alright, cool. But let's see what trades we can get for today, man. I want to see if we can get anything. Let's get this fucking link as well, I don't know. But we'll see how we react here. Yeah, motherfucker. So it looks like we are possibly getting this trade from the 5-minute, which is key for me. Key. If we really want to start moving up. Again, we need to confirm if we're actually bearish here, right? No way, called you out on the stream, bro. How many men are watching that stream anyways? They look like they've got a decent account already. They've got like a 70k. How many viewers they got? 300. Fair dues, man. Nick, Matt, and Miriam. Oh, that's sick, man. Well, they all trade together on there. That's sick, bro. I'll be honest. That's lit. That's pretty lit. Like, I fuck with that, man. Yes, Daniel, what we saying? Boys, what's good, man? If you're in here, say yo. Wanna know who's in here. Yes, Vish, what we saying, Brody? What's good? There's T1 Reeks, TA Mem, what we saying, boys? Harmony, what's good? Yeah. Long head, good head. Long head, long throat. I don't know. Yeah, dollar dropped out his arsehole. So what I was looking at on FX this morning, was essentially the buy up for EU. My reason for it was, obviously we had really weak data come out for the UK, so I wasn't necessarily looking to long the pound. Plus, we did want to see a little bit more of a rebalance from the DXY, and we did fail to essentially continue up and break this high, which showed to me we're just going to continue that bearish DXY. And again, we are really weak with the dollar. Like, we've got, I think tomorrow we should be coming out this US government shutdown. This is pretty much what the notes I've got here, that's pretty much what we're looking at. And if that is so, and the weak Labour data that's come out, a cut for December looks likely. And the divergence between the cut of interest rates from the Fed against the hold of interest rates by the ECB pretty much just signals that we've had that divergence between the euro and the dollar. So basically, we're looking at a stronger euro than pound. But yeah, bias was bang on. We smashed it. But annoying, just couldn't get in the fuck. Oh, look how much we moved on EU as well. Make a grown man new, bro. Make a grown man new. And in fact, how much we moved by? That would, no, that's Asia's low. So I was obviously looking for price to come and grab Asia's low before the maneuver off, but we just didn't grab that low, which is a shame, motherfucker. How much do we actually move? Let's have a little look. Yeah, 52 pips game. I wouldn't have even aimed for that, bro. I'll be so honest. I probably would have just aimed for the fucking Asia high, or wherever the Asia high is. It's not the Asia high. Asia high. I think you could have got an easy 1 to 3, 1 to 4 TP minimal times. Right, I just realised I'm still on this guy's stream, bro. Right, wait, boys, give me a tune, man. Someone give me a song. Do you think BOE will wait next year for cuts? The Labour sort of signalled to us that we probably won't. We kind of have to cut rates now. Unemployment's dreadful, rose by 0.2%. Claimant count change, more people claiming benefits. And then we've got average earnings, which is coming down, which is awful for the labour market in the UK. And obviously, when you have a bad labour market, you do tend to see an interest rate cut, just to ease the economy. So I don't think so, man. I think we're going to get the cuts December. I think US, we're nearly priced in cuts. And what we've been seeing throughout the year and throughout like the Q4 is we've seen there's more and more MPC members voting for a cut of interest rates. I know we've been holding the BOE rates for a decent amount of time now, but we are looking, more MPC members each vote have been essentially looking at more cuts. So I'll be honest, I think we're going to get cuts December. The same as what the Fed's going to bring in. And I think ECB are going to cut. So that's why I'm sort of long euro against pound and dollar. Dollar's quite weak at the moment for me. I think we're going to continue this bearish move now, which kind of only makes sense. Strong euro. And yeah, we should come out as US government tomorrow. So hopefully, Cigarette Daydreams. That sounds like such a good tune. That ironically does. Daydreams. I feel like I just would know this tune because it's so old. Bro, trust me, T1, sorry. Bro, this guy cannot stop playing that tune, bro. Cannot stop playing that tune. Cannot. Like, genuinely cannot. Right, it looks like we actually could start moving down. So, again, still a bit premature, I reckon. Wait, can I get the actual tune, bro? I hate these type of songs. Got a massive intro to it, bro. Yeah, this is a banger. No, I'm on stream, bro. I stream on YouTube whenever I stream on TikTok. So if you want to come, I'll be honest, bro, the stream's just so much better now. You can see everything, so I'll jump on that, bro. The YouTube is literally just up here, broski. So yeah, come join in the YouTube, bro. This is actually, bro, I've not heard this tune in so long. So I'm essentially waiting for Price to come and tick up. We look for Price to come and tick up. See if we can have this continuation of Price. Big sweep from the downside. Let's see if Equities can actually have that push up now. I want to see us. I want to see us continue up, man. If I sing it word for word on stream, 100k eval, bro, absolutely. Bro, I'd block you and everything and make you come on stream and fucking start singing that shit. I'll actually fucking get rid of you, man. DXY showing weakness because of interest rate expectations, fiscal, political uncertainty, shifts in global flows, technical and cyclical factors. No, yeah, 100%. That is essentially what we're looking for. December should really give us a cut of interest rates. It only really makes sense. The weakening of the labour market, inflation sort of chilled out now. I think it makes sense. I think it makes sense. Remember, we are still early. New York Stock Exchange opens still in about what? I'm making about 40 minutes. Some shit like that. Just under 40 minutes. So we'll see, man. We'll see if we see price continue down, which for me won't give me a trade, or if we start continuing up. Perfect. Again, Friday 50s right below, so I can see price coming to that. But hopefully we see it actually come through quick. I don't want to see price pissing about too much. Because we did sweep that Friday high, which for me, again, kind of pushes us back down to that Friday 50. Yeah. Perfect. So now we are looking for that continuation up. We don't actually have higher time frame CRT because that closure was not great. S&P we do. Complete PA though. We can see the S&P is a little bit more stronger. A little bit of a divergence there with the CRT. Oh, wait, we need to see price come up. Come on, motherfucker. I am expecting the DXY bullish momentum shift soon though. If not, DXY going to hell. I honestly think DXY could just continue. To me, it kind of just makes sense. This is the last deep, like, imbalance area. This is such a shame, bro. Fuck. This is such a good imbalance area for price to reverse off. If it doesn't, then, I could see it do the same thing. Go to fucking heck. Go to heck. But no, yeah, I totally agree with that, Age. Unlucky on EU, man. Very unlucky on EU. Again, price is too efficient. Just a pain in the arse, man. Imagine your only problem being that price is just too efficient. Yeah, okay. Obviously, it's a US bank holiday, so it's going to be a very painful afternoon for equities. We probably might even just see equities continue. Normally, when we do have a US bank holiday, we do see a continuation of what happened in London session. Hence why I'm just looking at EU and G to continue to the upside. EG continue to the upside. Alright, let's see if we get this. We'll get this high marked out as well. We good now? No, it don't break. Let's unload a better. Mace, can you delete those blue boxes if you want? Can you delete those? How do you delete them, bro? To be fair, I've actually not even tried to delete them. Where's settings? Is it not on canvas? Surely it's on canvas, right? Oh, was that it? That's cleaner. Why does he do that? Why does Equities have that? I think all equities look good to become bullish now, to be honest, bro. I'm just looking at strong equities this afternoon. If we've got a weak US dollar, we do normally see equities move up as well. That divergence there is key. Go on, sense and then go symbol change. Oh, okay. Mate, so you're allowed to go on a Discord stream on Are we allowed to go on a Discord stream on the weekends where some of us just... Yeah, bro, of course, man. Of course, man. This ain't fucking school. You man can do whatever the fuck you want, really. You're being a pain in my ass, though, Nasdaq. S&P, I'm looking at the same, but I'm more looking to trade Nasdaq, to be brutally honest. Over the S&P. Very similar price, though. I mean, obviously it is. It's just an American equity. Yeah, see you later. Come on, let's go. Let's get up now, Nasdaq. Get yourself up there, sunshine. That looks good for bullish. Looks really nice. Really nice for bullish. Oh, did not mean to press that. Looks really nice, bro. Let me just get that off, actually. Let me just get this on there. Right, let's see if we invert this, man. Come on. Yeah, bro, they bust us at 200k. So, man, I'll be a dickhead not to trade that. And I noticed futures accounts are only like, what, 6% to pass, I think? I think it's 6% to pass. I can't remember the drawdown. I haven't actually fully read over the rules, man. To be pretty honest with you. But it looks like 6%... No, I can't play this tune. It's a good song, but... It's a banger. This is a tune. But yeah, man, ACG bust us it, so... Yeah, bro, I'm looking to trade that. Might as well. New York's the best time to trade equities. Well, equities like Nasdaq, well, the US equities, right? So... I'm always on the chart for New York, so I thought, why not? We might as well trade it. And why not trade it live with you, man? Who trades futures in here, man? Who trades futures for New York Sesh? Yo. Where is the... Okay. Where's my... Alright, cool. Take you right back. Going back to 505. Just a second hour fly to where is... Okay, yeah, that's weird. Come on, you motherfucker. We actually probably might get 0 movement for this New York sesh, just off the basis that... Oh, bro, this is actually such a tune, bro. This is the top tune. I'd show futures, but just euro and pound futures. Fair play, brother. I feel like what makes sense for me is that like trade and equity that could be traded in the New York session, right? It kind of makes sense. I already trade London session with EU, GU, EG. So it kind of only makes sense. I feel like equities you could be a little bit more aggressive as well, purely for the basis that no spreads, no commission. I feel like you can be more aggressive and more volatile pairs make sense to trade. Especially equities, though. You got the Eurex data now, mate. What's that? Sorry, Stu? Yes, Fizz. What we saying, Brody? What's good, man? What's good? Well, we've got routers. Sport 2, I don't fucking need that shit. Show next post, no, I don't need that. I need Bloomberg routers. Don't need market tweets. Fuck off. Routers I need. Yup. When they draw, why are they drawdown rules, bro? I've actually not even read for this account. Let me actually have a look. Right. Let's have a look. Oh, it must be 150k then, not 200k. They're bust off. Advanced plan, what's the difference? Profit share up to 90%, 90%, inversion only. Got double the price though. Higher profit target, by the max. Lower max lost, what? Oh, your consistency rules, right. Right, you actually got consistency rules and standard plans. I hope it's a fucking advanced plan. %4 drawdown, 6% profit. I don't think that's that bad, you know. I'll be honest, I don't think that's that bad. I don't think that's awful. I don't think that's that bad. Most of them are trailing, so if you have 200k, yeah, like most prop firms' rules are based off equity nowadays. A lot of it is based off equity, so that's kind of normal. And what is that that resets what? Max position is 10 contracts. Okay. Okay. I need to sort my PIQ, man. My PIQ is still a little bit messy. Yeah, what's that, Josh? You want an NQ, bro? I thought he was, yeah, bro, I am FX only, but now me and Lou was given I'm pretty sure was given a 150k futures account from ACG. So, yeah, bro, honestly, that's what I've been looking at for the last few days, essentially just how to trade futures in New York sessions. So that's essentially what I'm doing during New York. I can't waste 150k, bro. I'll grab that opportunity with 2 hands, man. I'd be stupid not to take that. Payouts bi-weekly, that's not bad. Might have the big C boys. Got a letter through the door yesterday. Oh shit, Josh. Going for an operation to take a sample. Raw, man. Yeah, you're in my prayers, Josh, man. Josh, defo let us know, man. Defo let us know. Defo let us know. And that's shit to hear, Josh. Yeah, let's think positively, innit? Let's think positively until the scan comes back, bro. Bro, Josh, if you do, man, I swear down, me and Lou will come up to fucking... I promise you now, I promise you this, innit? I promise you this. Me and Lou will come up Newcastle for the weekend. I promise you that. I might have just dragged Lou into quite a long drive to, or... Bro, you might even have to get a flight. Bro, Newcastle's a flight, really, innit? Newcastle's not even a... Like, for me and Lou, that's a flight, bro. That ain't even a drive. That's undrivable. That's like 8 hours or some shit. Like, but we'll get a plane to you, bro. 100%. But Josh, let us know, bro. Keep us updated, man. I'm sorry to hear that, though, bro. It's horrible. That is horrible. But remember, bro, it might be, again, it could be really early. If it's really early... Train's 2 hours, bro. We got bullet trains, blood. Have West Ham played Newcastle away yet? No, we ain't, thank God. Thank the Lord. I don't think we have, bro. I'm pretty sure... No, we played Newcastle home the other weekend. We lost. Of course we fucking did. Of course we did. We wouldn't win, would we? Newcastle, West Ham. When's the next fixture for that? Oh, no, we beat you. Oh, no, yeah, we beat you. I forgot, bro. Oh, my days. Sorry. Yeah, no, we still got you man away, though. That's 17th of May. It's a long time, bro. Who's in my crib as well, bro? Yeah, May we got. You better turn up for that, you man. Bro, you man better turn up, man. Bro, Nasdaq, feel free to move at any point, by the way. Feel free to move at any point. No, I'm joking. I honestly don't think we're going to get a great manoeuvre today from the equity market. Kind of makes sense, right? Bank holiday, but we will see if we can get anything for the day. Well, I'm looking for us to sort of start reversing as we do have that dollar weakness. Yeah, that's so long away. Man said May. Bro, that's in like 5 months' time, 6 months' time. That's a pain. Yeah, no, I forgot we actually won. It's like one of the only games this season we won, and I don't even know. No, November we've played well, man. I mean, the other game was Burnley. Did you buy the data package, mate? I haven't yet. I haven't. I might have to. But I want to keep Bloomberg on. I want to keep routers. I want to keep CNBC. I want to keep financial juice. I don't want that economic calendar. What economic calendar do they have on this? That's it. That's it. Continue to move up. No, I'm currently. Are you? What are you looking at on gold? Success. What are you looking at there, broski? We're actually still trading within the Asia range. So for me, I'd say, bro, stay away from gold. Do not trade gold if it stayed within the same range all day. Don't even bother. Wait for it to break out and then monitor price. It looks like we've not actually broke out of anything yet. Hi, I'm new to stock. Should I buy meme coins and hope for the best? I only got £15. If I'm being so honest with you, bro, meme coins is one of those things. It's a seasonal trade, right? And in my opinion, it's the same with gold. Let me pause that so I can talk to you, man, for a bit. When it comes to gold, when it comes to like meme coins and crypto and all that shit, all of these things are seasonal trades. So there's going to be times when you're not trading crypto. There's going to be times where you're not trading gold. But there's going to be times where gold is absolutely fucking unreal to get in longs or maybe shorts Or crypto might be insane if you get in on a bull run. Same thing with a meme coin thing, right? If you know that we are getting the next bull run, for an example, right? You're going to be looking at them. But in my opinion, you trade different things at different times. So for me, I've always traded FX, right? I've always traded FX, and I've traded that day in, day out for London session for years. But then you got to trade it seasonally. Like gold, for an example, we've been seeing it come down and just sit around supply areas for time. We've not seen price move, so it's not a great time to buy gold. But again, we saw about a few months ago, right, where we saw gold was probably the nicest thing to long. I mean, we had fucking everyone in the Discord was long in gold, everyone, and we managed to milk that uptrend the last few months heavily. In fact, I've pretty much passed a full ACG 200k with just those gold longs throughout. I think it was like just October, wasn't it? Yeah, throughout October. And then obviously we saw price crash. We saw the retail buyers jump in. Hence why we did see price actually drop down a bit, so we can actually take out those retail buyers. And then we're looking to push the market back up. Now we could potentially start seeing the move back up. So now we could possibly trade gold again. But in this time here, I was not looking to trade gold at all. For the pure reason if we was exhausted. If we're exhausted, we're probably going to see price be quite manipulative, accumulative, and not ideal to get in. But if we see price start reversing, we can sort of see that the bull run is continuing for gold. So see, gold is a very good asset right now, biggest safe haven in the world next to US government bonds. So right now it is a very favourable asset. Massive geopolitical tension rising. So that is why we are seeing gold essentially be a very favourable asset. We've seen dollar come back a little bit, so safe haven currencies have dropped. But yeah, that's why in my opinion, again, gold, crypto, all this shit is all seasonal based. It's not. There's times when gold is so untradeable, but shit like FX is one of those things. It's a heavily regulated market, the biggest traded market in the world globally. Trillions of dollars run through it daily. So for me, FX is one of those things you can trade every single day. Gold, you can only really trade when there's big geopolitical problems where you can actually milk the market for it, right? Does that make sense? So that's what I would say. I'd say thing Josh got him removed. Family had multiple as well, so I was panicking. Probably rather just get rid of him early. Yeah, that's it. No, that is it, RV. That is it. New indicator's not out yet. We're not dropping it yet. I'm not dropping it yet. Purely for the reason of I want to get used to it, and then like what I did with the previous one, I made like a little video on it so you man can actually see how it works. So I'll do that. I'll do that when we actually drop it. But I want to forward test it for a little bit. Jed for futures, you need a data package that costs more on trading view, otherwise you're delayed pricing, etc. Fuck. Oh no, I think I do. Do I not? I'll have a little look after. My nana melam. That's an unreadable word. Yeah, which. Oh man, sorry to hear that, Josh, man. Sorry to hear that, Josh. Let's see if we get this long in equities, man. Yeah, but yeah, I'll let you know when we drop that, man. I'll let you know when we drop that. Yeah, well, Josh, what are you doing about the yeah, what are you gonna have to do about your I don't even know what to say without getting taken off, bro. What are you going to be doing about your cycles and that, bro? What are you going to do about that? You might have to stop it, though, surely? Maybe? Go harder. Fucking hell, Josh. Fucking hell. Go hard. That's crazy. Does it help? Does it? I'm assuming that is that saying that mad don't help with that type of shit. Come on, bro. Are we not gonna move out this range? We've got half to 40 minutes. We're going to have New York Stock Exchange open. Let's see if we can see price. Obviously, start grabbing these lows and start coming up. London Crypto Club, bro. What in the blood clot is that? Even is that? Right, I need my my effects book calendar. Actually, I'd rather have investing.com calendar. I think. Right, let's get that on. Get up there, you motherfucker. Right, I'll move this. Right. Are you boys still using PIQ, yeah? Oh my days, that fitting so perfectly. That was actually horny. Okay, cool. But yeah, my main problem. We haven't actually got it yet. We've not got it. They've still got to send it. So I'm not even too sure. Still, I'm not too sure. What's the difference between those two, anyways? What is the difference between those two? Do you think we can invert and sell off? I'm not looking for EU to sell off, to be brutally honest. It could do. Seeing a rebalance of the dollar mainly. Mainly the rebalance of that dollar. Possibly. Just to see price obviously come back into that area where we can short off. But yeah, I mean, where can we even see price? Let's get our volume so we can actually see what makes sense. But main positions are continuing. So again, you can get in that reversal move. It just for me, it just kind of doesn't make sense. It just isn't optimal. Trade of 8 is the best. Trade of 8 is the best. You can trade directly from TradingView. Oh, that's good. That's good. What's Project X then? I've never heard of anything like that. Trade of 8 Ninja. Project X Quantower. Rev, what in the fuck does that even? What does that even mean? What does that even mean? We go home. Yeah, of course, bro. In terms of this week, this is where I'm at for the euro, dollar, pound. So starting off with the strongest. Euro. Starting off with the strongest, I'm looking at the euro. Second, I'm going DXY. Well, really. These two, I'm sort of questionable. I think they're sort of both just quite fucking weak right now. Today we've seen the dollar be a lot more weaker, but again, what we're really signalling for the pound isn't great. So I'd probably even put pound at the bottom here, to be brutally honest. But these keep flipping for me. The dollar and the pound just keep flipping. But for me, euro still stands strong. I'm really looking at continuations of EU, especially when I like Project X just because I used Alpha Tick, so when they first started I used okay, that's fair play. Again, normally when you use something, it's always the best way. Mates, how do you determine which is the strongest just looking at correlate pairs? Not really. I look at it from more of a fundamental point of view. Currency strength indicator on Google. What's that, Kieran? So should I buy a laptop just for trading overall right now? I've got £180. Yeah, I mean, I'll be honest, bro, you don't need a laptop. It's so much easier, but like, you bare don't need one. You really don't need one. No, you actually bare do though, really. No, you do need a laptop, I'll be so honest. I don't know what I'm talking about. You do need a laptop. But realistically, it's, yeah, fundamentals for me, bro. The reason why I'm quite weak on the pound is because if you see the data that we've had today, let's just bring this up actually. We had, okay, is that just showing my trading view? Okay, no, it's showing both. So what we see is we're seeing the labour market get slammed. Claimant count coming up, so more people claiming benefits than we was expecting lower. Average earnings was expecting to stay at 5%, it's gone down to 4.8%. Unemployment rate has gone from 4.8, expecting to come up. So we kind of expected it to go up, but it went up by 0.2 instead of 0.1. So labour market is not doing good by one bit. And normally, what does that signal? What does a weak labour market signal in an economy? And it's exactly why we're sort of looking into December for a cut of interest rates. It normally does signal an interest rate cut. So, and we're sort of getting the same for we're looking at the same for the Fed. So we're looking at the same for the US. We're looking at another interest rate cut from the Fed. Be the second cut of the year. One previous, one coming into December, and I think following into 2026 as well. So yeah, that's why I'm still kind of weak, both of those currencies. And me, Euro strongest. ECB, I don't think are going to cut interest rates by the looks of it. I mean, we'll see, right? Data's been crazy. But my main problem right now, which is making it very difficult with buyers, would be that we are still in this government shutdown. We're expected to come out of it tomorrow. If that's true or not, fuck knows. I mean, Jesus Christ. We've been lied so many times about so many data points. But the reason why it's bad is because, a few reasons, right? It's bad because the labour market in the US got slammed by this US government shutdown. We saw so many jobs get taken away for people in the White House, government contractors, fucking people. It actually went so far down the chain. That's why we saw lower unemployment, higher unemployment during the previous month. It only made sense. And again, what really dictates interest rates, one of the biggest factors that Powell was looking at this year was labour. If labour keeps getting weaker and weaker and weaker, we're going to have to cut interest rates. So again, it does signal to us that we are going to have that interest rate cut for both the UK and the US. And again, for that divergence, I would be stronger for the euro. Say shit. Government shutdown will end soon, to be fair. There's a max pain point where both sides gets hurt by it and costs too much. Plus, when you start talking about 2 monthly pays being missed, causes insane issues and pressures. 100%. And it's not only that. When the further you go into the government shutdown, the longer you are in it, the less growth you are going to get in your country. So we've been seeing awful growth in the UK, in the US, after these last 2 months. For the reason that we have been in this government shutdown, which is dreadful for the economy, man. Dreadful. Dreadful. So that is why, again, we're looking at these equity longs, because we're looking at a weak dollar. So I really want to see Nasdaq come and push up. So please come and grab this high, you motherfucker. Obviously, what's making it difficult is we are in a bank holiday for the US, so it's acceptable that we might not see price boom. Boys, let me add as well, we smashed 3k on the YouTube. We smashed 3k a good few days before our target, man. Don't know, real. Love how you always using fundamentals. Deepak, I will never, ever, ever in a million years stop looking at fundamentals. And that is kind of why I'm finding it hard right now, because we've been in a drought of the US data, right? So it's not been too easy for me. But again, for me, it's just one of those ones where you have to fucking wait. You have to suck it up and wait. Is what it is, boys. That's why we took advantage earlier on in this year. It's for energy, you longest morning exit Asia 3.4, lovely. Should I have holded this? Nah, bro. No. Bro, if you have a TP and it hit your TP, done. Honestly, bro, perfect. 3.4R on a lovely Tuesday morning is all you need, my man. I promise you that. Don't let anyone tell you different. Again, what's 4R gonna do? Do you know what I mean? What's 4R gonna do? What's another 0.6R gonna do? It's not gonna do much. Again, if you're more comfortable with that take profit, it's perfect, right? And again, if you are looking at a trade, don't think about how much you can get from it. I've always said this, right? Don't aim for where you think price is gonna go. Aim below. Because again, when we look at a target, we want price to get there and go beyond, really, because we're not. If I see price go to my TP every time and then reverse, I would assume that I'm fucking bare lucky. Oh my god, thank God price hit my TP before it reversed. But then you might be thinking at the complete opposite if price comes to a level above and you missed out of like half RR. Bro, I promise you, no point. I tell this to everyone, and I fucking love this stat, and this stat has always made me so more laid back. And when it comes to trading, is MFF brought this out when they were doing their thing, right? MFF, it was everyone who had more than 9 payouts averaged 3% a month, and everybody went for pretty much anything else. Anything over that wasn't as consistent. It was like I think it was like 3% to 4%. It was something like that. The range was something like that. I think it was like 2.5% to be fair. But when that stat come out, I started to understand that we don't fucking need to be trading every day, nor do we need the highest RR trades. Do you know what I mean? So I'll be honest, bro. Honestly, you won, bro. Again, at the end of the day, you won. Don't be, because you might go into your next trade, you might aim for too much, and then you have a really good trade where it goes up for about 4R, but you're asking for 5, 6. At a higher point, which might not even make sense for your trade, right? Again, if you're trading Asia liquidity, for me, what makes sense is, like for an example, let's go back to GU, right? Let's talk about GU. Let's go back to it, right? We took Friday low and we took Asia's low. So for me, the 2 best TPs is either Friday 50 or Asia high. If you go for anything other than that, anything higher, I would assume it takes it away from taking the Friday low in Asia. You can aim for externals high, obviously, but again, boys, if we've got 3.5R, 4R for the day, perfect. Fucking, that's all you need, man. And you can lay back a bit, chill out, because these markets are painful. These markets are crazy. But trust me, go about it that way, and you'll never find yourself being too greedy. Greedy is one of the most annoying. Being greedy is shit. Honestly, bro, being greedy, you notice it. It fucking kills profits. It kills it. In hindsight, bro, obviously you would do that, right? But trading's one of those things. If you look at everything in hindsight, you'd probably be the best fucking trader, right? But again, hindsight doesn't play out in the real markets. Make sure Vic got 25k. I know, man. Bro, our recent videos, mine and Lou's recent videos, have been doing quite well, to be fair. They've been doing alright, man. They've been doing alright. What do you think of Cell? Cell's on what, Brody? What fucking currency we looking at, bro? $90k views in the last 28. It's not bad on viewing. I'm aiming for external highs, but the strat for my GU entries on Monday range. Play from Monday's range low to high, or vice versa. But I still do use Asia at least to secure partials. That again, that's a way to trade, right? That's a way to oh, bro. Can we see the Nasdaq break out this fucking run? On GU. Sells on GU. I think the dollar's so weak. I mean, this is my problem right now, right, with GU. Is the dollar's weak, and so's the pound, really. So I think GU's a difficult one. If you're able to get in longs, lovely. But I would say, again, what we really are looking for today, because of the US government shutdown, no, fuck you talking about. Because of the US bank holiday today, we've got open now, so we might see equities move. But because we've got the bank holiday today, the only thing that really makes sense for price to do is to continue price action from London, right? That's normally what happens. That is normally what happens, isn't it? So I can only assume, really, today or for New York session, we're just going to continue whatever we done for London session. That is normally how the markets pan out. To be brutally honest with you, bro, that's normally how they pan out. Would you say they've been painful last few months? I would say so, bro, 100%. The reason why is we've not had data, right? We've not had data. We've been stripped of US data for the past fucking month and a half. So, yeah, for me, that's the main reason why. Sorry I'm late. I had to do my actual job, getting in the way of my trading. Guys, what videos you want Mace and I to do? I read that well, Rob. Bro, why am I making up sentences? Guys, what videos you want from Mace and I? Boys, wait, I did say this in the pre-London. Actually, I don't think I did. I think I might be lying. Was that last week's pre-London? Or was that yesterday's pre-London? I think it was yesterday's. But boys, any problems you man have, right? Any video you want us to drop or anything you want us to go through, let us know, man, and we'll drop that video. We'll drop that video. It helps us, to be honest, man. I'll be so honest with you. It does help us. But our last videos have been doing unreal. Our last 2 videos that me and Lou dropped are doing fucking very good. But I appreciate you, man's support, man. You know the love. You know the fucking love, you, man. Smash that 3K subbies as well. Which is big. Yeah, I've struggled getting into trade, but not chasing anything, so glad it's not me. 100% D-back. Again, that's the importance of getting ready for the markets, though, man. If you know there's going to be nothing, there's no need to be jumping in. If you know the market's not moving as it normally does, for example, ALG, if it doesn't take ALG, step away, man. Simples. But that's why, for me, trading time is so key. Mission 3 of the bootcamp is locked and loaded. Oh, boys, we need a fucking 100 likes on this, man. Boys. In fact, I might not even continue this stream until you, man, fucking drop 100 likes on this. Oh, we're actually about to break the high. It's about fucking time. New York Stock Exchange open, so again, it's probably the most optimal time to trade it. No, I don't want studio, bro. How many likes has it got? I'm assuming not enough. Send a link in the chat if you can, Lou. I'm going to send it into the Discord. Boys, go pre this video, man. This video that Lou done is actually fucking sick as well. These bootcamp videos, I'm not even just saying that. Like, I'm genuinely being honest. These, like, if you don't know, if you haven't watched these videos, right, you are missing such a big fucking key part in trading. These are going back to basics, but not only going back to basics, but filling your trading knowledge, because there's so much shit that people actually forget and miss and don't add into their plan, and don't understand how. Just understand the fundamentals of trading. This second one massively goes into the fundamentals and the back of, and the sort of the back end of trading and win loss and ratios, and essentially how, just acknowledging that again, you don't need to be like, bro, honestly, boys, please watch this video, innit? Please watch it. Please watch it, man. This one is essentially just understanding the fundamental behind your plan, and not just like on the charts, more actual, I don't know the main word I want to use here. It's the numbers side of things. That's what it's called. I might as well use that. I was trying to use a different word, but it's the numbers side of trading. In terms of your rewards, in terms of your loss, in terms of journaling, everything, bro. Bro, fucking watch it, man. Watch that fucking video, innit? Wonder if you guys could help explain what detail is and how it's used. That'll probably be good. I reckon that video would bang. Detailed video would absolutely bang. I've realised a lot. I've seen a few people use it now as well, bro. I was on TikTok earlier, and bro, I just was seeing people use Daily Troping on stream. Daily Troping on a few videos as well, man. So I've seen a decent amount of people use it, man. I think understanding market direction really well, when the reversals are potentially there, and when to know when they're about to play out. That works, mate. Yeah, 100%. That's a good video idea. That's a good video idea. This looks like GU. This is Nasdaq, brother. I don't know if you... Sorry, you might have said that earlier. You should do a fundamental explaining how certain types of news affects price, etc. Yeah, that's true. See, my only problem with that, though, is I've got a bare similar... I've got a bare similar video to that in the mentoring. That's just in the 2024 mentoring. So I might have to drop a little... I'll drop a fundamental video, but I'm gonna make it a little bit different. A little bit different. A video regarding the Asia range type and when not to trade it in London, e.g. Asia trading or Asia making a strong. That's a good idea. That's a good video idea. Because again, that's key. It's not only good validating a good Asia session, but also how to invalidate an Asia session, which a lot of people don't do, man. A lot of people love having validations, but don't seem to have invalidations, right? Greatest source Lou's dropped is the VP video. The VP video. Oh, the volume. That's a fucking unreal video. Unreal video. And Nasdaq, are we taking the piss, blood? Are we actually mocking? Price just isn't coming to state that. Oh, we actually had a divergence there, though. Big divergence. Well, if you see price come in there, do we also have a 4 hour? We should be do we? Yeah, we're continuing now with the DXY. I want to see a closure below so we can actually see price continue off. But that's still coming down for the day, so I don't want to see Nasdaq pull up. Looks like S&P's and everything's fucking going up, though, man. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. We could still come down. Firefox is on point there, exactly what I struggle, yeah. I think I understand the market's direction really well. I mean, boys, I'll be honest, that's kind of the video that Lou was doing, like the first video, like, that was yeah. That was kind of going back to that a bit. Going back to, like, market structure and understanding how to identify bullish and bearish markets. And that is sort of, well, we can do another, we can always do another one, man. Yeah, because sometimes you anticipate reversal, so you trade it and get taken out. Other times you trade continuation, reversal takes place 100%. Usually if Asia makes a strong high, the high will most likely not be taken in London. Usually look for a continuation of 50% Asia range, yeah. Yeah! And that's essentially what we use the DTO for. DTO is a really good area. If you're looking to yo, Mez, you still trying to signal trading? Yes, Mez, we are, bro. We are, man. Drop Lou a message, Mez. Drop Lou a message. I don't think we've got anyone else doing. I don't think we've got anyone signaling that. No, sorry, we do. We still got what's his face? Apex is doing FX right now, so he's doing the trial signals. But yeah, Mez, drop Lou a message. We can get you in there, bro. Definitely. But yeah, that's what we really look for Asia. So if we trade, the way we trade Asia, right, is essentially if it's a continuation, different if it's accumulation. Accumulation, ALG all day long. But if it's very bullish, and what I like to use as another confluence as well, is what happened over Asia session. So normally what I'll do is I'll look between 2 AM and 6 AM, right? If we are bullish between 2 AM and 6 AM, we have a very good chance of continuing up. Because realistically what it is, it's a bullish Asia session. That is our momentum continuing up. And normally it's through a high impact news through the Asia session. And a big time that we do continue is when we have some really good positive news through Asia session. And we will see price continue off the DTO. That happens a lot more on EG than I see on EUGU. But it's clean. DTO is nuts. DTO is the bollocks. EG, let's have a look at EG right now, bro. I don't think we're really, I mean, in terms of EG, again, we just continue in London. Just looking for buys. But again, do you want to get in buys? We're very high up. We're above the prior week 50, above the prior day high. It's not optimal, bro. But I'm really looking for continuations of what we had during London session, early London, sort of European session, which is around sort of quarter 6, 7. It's when we had that big push up because we had that weak pound news. Very, very weak pound news. The vote on Apex will be done today. He's 6% up on FX trials. Oh. It's beautiful, man. It's beautiful. Love that shit. We're seeing GU continue up, EU continue up as well. Man, they're pissing me off, man, looking at EU. I'm so close to getting something this morning on it. Oi, gold's actually swept that low. This could be Alney. Oi, bro, this could be really nice. This could be really nice. I'm looking for price to really come and sweep the highs. We've had a massive liquidity pool here as well. We're still in the New York AM. It's 2:30 we come out, right? Or, yeah, I think it might be... Let me just get my times. 1:30. No, 12. 12 New York time. So we still got a few hours. But yeah, 2:30. So we are open now. But I really want to see how we react from this Asia low. So trade through really on the 5 minute. That 5 minutes pretty high out. Look for a trade through and a trade back in for that continuation. Might actually be a really fucking shit trade. Man, Equities are playing. Holy shit. Mate, that is not a 3K subs haircut, bro. What the heck do you even mean, Steve? But that's mad, though. Me and Lou are actually on doing that, I promise you. But it's just a shame that we're too sick. We're too good. That we ended up actually getting 3K subs before my birthday, man. I appreciate you, man, though. You, man, supported us. Respect it. And thank God I actually didn't end up shaving my head. Thank fuck. Thank the Lord. Right, okay. Right, we want to start seeing price move up here. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. 3 PM we start getting a little... that's when we start talking about silver bullet time. So 3 to 4 probably is the most optimal. Half 2 we have open. 3 to 4 we have... Bro, imagine me bald, bro. Bro, that would look so weird. Bro, thank God me and Lou actually grinded the last, like, month on YouTube. Like, thank fuck, bro. Thank the Lord, man. Oh, fucking hell. It's like a woman. How indecisive is this, man? How indecisive are we? Do you want to move up? Do you want to go down? Do you want to go out for food? Do you want to stay in for food? Fucking hell. This will look hard as now as I look like a Polish refugee. Oh, bro, that is funny. Oh, man. I say next time we go away, Lou, we just do it, bro, for the sake of it. Just for the sheer... Just to be bald, man. Just to feel what it feels like to be bald. Wake up in the morning and just nothing being on your dome, bro. I feel like that would be kind of cool. Some Jason Statham shit. I'll probably start bunning Blem a lot more. I'll probably stop bunning Loud and I'll probably just start bunning cigars and shit. I'll probably start wearing like old money clothes and shit. Bro, imagine actually going bald, man. Steve, you're bald, isn't it? Are you bald, Steve? I feel like you are just bald, Steve. Bet it feels shit. Yeah, I don't know, man. Fucking headbutting shit must be well nice, though. Get yourself up there, gold. Yeah, Lou, you look like I'll be back in flat caps 24s. I probably would as well, man. I probably would as well. But at least you got a reason to wear a flat cap, because for some reason, I probably wouldn't ever wear a flat cap unless I'm like 40. When I'm older, I probably would. But like now, I wouldn't wear one. But if I was bald, I would buy one, bro. I would buy one and wear it often, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I'd wear it often. I'll probably wear it to sleep and shit. You know what I do? You know what I did as well? I felt my dome yesterday because I thought about this, bro. I was thinking about this because obviously we hit 3K like yesterday, I think it was, or yeah, it was yesterday. But bro, I felt my dome and I swear down, like bro, my head shape like feels weird. Like I swear down, if I went skinhead, I think I would look bare weird. Like I've got a very flat head, like here, like at the back, type shit. Bro, so I don't know what I'd look if I had a bald nut, bro. I feel like I would look like a dickhead, I'll be so honest. Type shit. Right, we're gonna get price trade up, we're gonna trade through, or we're gonna sit down. Oh, fucking hell. Should we trade up, shall we? There we go. That wasn't hard, was it? I don't give a fucking 55, bro. Do you wear flat caps, Steve? Or in real terms, owl's hat, I should say. Owl's hat if you're a zombies lover, man. Oh, bro, this is hard when this come out, man. I know this. Okay, this is a little banger. Fuck it, go on, Aztec. Yes, let's go. All right. We've actually got another 5 minutes, which is painful. Tones out of your bass, yeah. Bro, Nasdaq, what the fuck are we playing that, bro? Like, genuinely. Are we taking the piss, bro? Because we can't, this isn't a break if we don't trade them up. To get you going today. It's this one, man. This is so cold. It's called Lonely Road. It's the chef thing, yeah. It's the chef. It's this one. This is what it looks like. This is so like a bare nice little tune, man. Lonely Road X, one of the Marrow Drillies. I'm replaying it because it's actually so hard. Like a little X bit as well, bro. A little ukulele, bro. I ain't playing with it. I think it's because you're calling it Nasdaq. Nasdaq. I think it's weird saying it as if you're English, man. Nasdaq. It feels weird. But like I should say it in an American accent, man. Come on! Ooh, we get that trade through. No, not at all. Holy fuck, we're actually moving heavily to the downside. Bang off that 50. Call it Nasdaq and you'll see it move. Right, Nazi. I'm gonna call it Nazi. Bro, why does it keep opening up a chart, bro? Might as well, Steve. Might as well, bro. To get you gone today. So what time do you draw your range for Asia session in gold? Isn't Tokyo session start at 9 AM Tokyo, midnight UK, so Asia range from midnight to 7. We actually have open at I'm pretty sure it's like 9:30 in Tokyo. I'm pretty sure that's when we have the open. But you got to remember, right, we're not just looking at Tokyo. Tokyo main open is at 2, I'm pretty sure. It's at 2 AM. But we've got Hong Kong, we've got Japan, we've got Singapore. We have all of these big opens. They're the important ones. Hong Kong, Japan, Singapore, and China, obviously. But the most important time within Asia session is 2 AM to 6 AM. That is the most important time. Asia session is from about 12 to 7, whatever it may be, right? It doesn't finish at 7, it finishes at 6. 7 is European Open. But the most important time to encapsulate the highest amount of volume during Asia is 2 AM to 6 AM. That's what we give a fuck about. That's where volume's in the market. So that's what we should focus on, at 2 AM to 6 AM. Yes, John, what we saying, Brody? What's good, man? Okay, yeah, we're continuing down. We're continuing. We don't want to come for that higher, man. We don't want to come for that higher at all. GU swing shorts. Where are you looking to short to, GU, brother? I understand it because of I kind of understand it, but for that we do need a weak dollar. We've not really seen a weak dollar today. Sorry, a strong dollar we need for that. But we've not been seeing a strong dollar at all today. Okay, we actually still have this CRT episode. I kind of fucking have to get you going today, yo. This could definitely be what plays out. We're not actually too far off that one bit. Yeah, we're not. Right, you should catch this long this morning. I was looking at EU, bro. My focus was on the EU. Main reason why my focus wasn't on GU was blatantly because of the news that come out, innit? The news was dreadful for the pound. But the market moved off the dollar's weakness, not off the pound or euro. So that's why we did see both GU and EU. But in hindsight, GU was nicer because we actually did take the Asia low. But me, I was waiting for the EU. I was waiting for EU the whole morning. And we painfully didn't take the fucking low, man. But again, I was looking for that EU, man. So luckily I didn't get nothing today. We didn't come and grab the Asia's low. We just, it was inches away. I think it was about 2.5 pips off, sweeping that low. Yeah, bang on 2.4. Nah, I didn't get in. But we didn't sweep the low, bro. So it wouldn't make sense if I did get in. But we had the bias was correct. So man, it just is what it is. Again, boys, sometimes the best time to trade is just not trading, man. So boys, make sure you like that recent video so Luke can drop that third one, man. So Luke can drop that the third bootcamp video that we dropped this week. Let me kick it with you. I'm with the game, we'll bring it with you. And I ain't tryna know your name, I ain't tryna kiss you. And after this, I might just forget you. I think the XR will be bullish long term to monthly fair value. What's your reasoning, brother? Oh, sorry, to the monthly. So you're looking from like a technical standpoint. Fair dues, bro. What on the monthly time frame is that? Oh, okay, yeah. Right. I'ma sit and take a sip. I ain't worried about no bitch. Honestly, bro. Honestly, so the end 6 AM, 7 AM, which I usually do, but the start confuses me. Midnight 1 AM, 2 AM, or even ICT1, which is midnight New York 5 AM, 7 AM. Right. So the thing is, I'll say to you, right, is it's not always what you need to look for sessions isn't when they start or when they end. Because at the end of the day, if we talk about Asia session, right, we're talking about all of the central banks in Asia. We're talking about Singapore Central Bank, Hong Kong Central Bank, Japan Central Bank, China Central Bank, Korea's Central Bank, fuck Thailand and all them countries, right? But the biggest economies within the Asia sector, we're looking at those open. So don't focus too much on Asia open. Focus on the high volume times. The high volume times are going to be from 2 AM to 6 AM. Here's when we're going to have the most amount of liquidity within the market, right? So when it really comes to sweeping liquidity, for me, it makes sense to look at the higher volume areas because liquidity looks for higher volume, right? Or liquidity is high volume. Hence why you normally see when price retraces back into a zone, it goes for the higher volume areas because it's attracted to high volume areas. That's what price wants to come to or sweep. Come to fair value, sweep if liquidity. Put that sky in your God Karma code on its Chinese drip. Wait, what? Oh, that's a tune. I wonder what you said. Bro, who is Sky? Oh my day, this guy is just this guy is Chinese. Karma code. And one of the comments is understanding 0%, vibes 100%. Oh, it's this thing, bro. I've seen videos of this. Bro, no way you know the fucking name of this tune, bro. Oh, unlucky, John, bro. Unlucky, man. I think DXY will be bullish long term to monthly fair value. Fair play, bro. Oh, actually, Nasdaq, that's come up a little bit. Oh, bro, I'm actually going to stop looking at it because I don't think we're actually really going to move. Okay. What weekly sweep? Wait, Dan, sorry, what do you mean, bro? What weekly low? It might be one of the hardest tunes I've ever heard in history. Oh my days, I just realised what tune. Shout out Fish, bro. Oh, what, the weekly CRT, Dan? Oh no, the weekly high. For me, that's just a sweep of liquidity, man. And that was a sweep of the monthly as well. So for me, it's telling me more bearish than Yeah. Wait, what, huh? 28th of July, bro. Oh, well, that's start of August, you mean, yeah? Yeah, I'm bearish DXY as well, Dan. And so I'm looking at mainly EU longs. EU are the positions I'm really looking for when it comes to London session. Alright, see you later, fucking Nasdaq. Looks like we're not going to continue up. Nasdaq continue down. What is this song? It's actually a really good question. This is probably one of the best songs in Bangkok ever. Probably the best Australian tune ever made in Bangkok. Oh, bro, turn this one up! Turn it up! I'm the only one who can turn it up. Why am I shouting? So just turn it up, man. But yeah, we are looking for that main, yeah, trust me. This one's to Thailand by storm. Man, Thailand was not ready for this song, man. They were not ready one bit. So it looks like we're looking at equities continuing. Absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. Again, boys, do not try and sell GU and EU. Just don't try and sell them. The weak dollar's really still shining through. What was that on, Emmy? EU. I mean, I'll be honest, at that point, just go off the IFEG, man. You see Artan dropped an album. Oh, he dropped an album. Let's have a little look, man.
And action.
That's not it. That's a good tune, though, man. What's it called, Lou? What did he drop it on? Is it Head Above Water? Who the fuck is that? Bro, who's that? It doesn't even say he's fucking with anyone. Luke's. I mean, I wouldn't change that. You from Hertfordshire? Yes, broski. You selling Euro GBP? No, I wouldn't sell Euro GBP. I'm more short on a pound, purely off the basis that we are looking at an interest rate cut coming to the end of the year. So I'm not. We got a big divergence there between the ECB and the BOE. So I'm looking at more of a cut. Sorry, I'm looking at more of a bearish pound than euro. For me, EG buys all day long, man. Especially after that news. You're in EU and GU buy. That one's hard. I like that one. Not gonna lie, I like that one. Let's have a look at it. What about this one? The XY should continue, but I'll be honest, it should really continue. Even if it comes back, Richesse is in, it should really continue. We are looking at quite a weak dollar today. It looks like we're looking at more risk-off assets this week. This week's massively risk-off. Massively risk-off. What are you aiming for with VUGU? You must be aiming for the fucking moon, no? What are you aiming for, one only? Or did you get in New York?
Looking for a mentor, I swear I'll never find him. Nobody's compared, can you pass my little violin? I know that comparison's the enemy of progress. I wanna be the best.
Why don't brokers/props don't implement a partial TP system which you set? I know you can exit manually or split position something like in FX replay back testing. You can, bro. You just need a magic keys for that, bro. All you need is a magic keys. A lot of them are. I mean, nowadays I'm pretty sure it is all digital. So what you do is you buy the magic keys. It's only a one-time thing. One-time fee. I'm pretty sure nowadays. And you'll have it on. You can download it into your MT5 or MT4 on your dashboard on your terminal. So you'll always have that there for you. That's why there's no reason for them to add it in. Because magic keys has been a thing for years now. That's mainly why. Yeah, I kind of fuck with that one. A bit less rappy. I'll be gone. What's his name? We're continuing here, bro. I had a gold short setup for the 4-hour CRT meeting over a random style move. No way, bro. No way. Yeah, it looks like we want to come for this CRT. Sorry. CRT? Is this CRT? Yes, sorry, yeah, 4-hour CRT is what we're looking at. There's bare head through, isn't it? Bro, Nasdaq. Yo, what the actual fuck is it playing at, bro? Like, genuinely. So this is the 4-hour we're looking at, bro. This is the... Where are we at? This is the hourly we're looking to trade for. Mem, you just not, bro. No one's coming out, Mem. No one's coming out because of you, innit? Everyone's actually like cancelling us. Alright, arts and crafts. That's a proper little Murray drilly. Bro, what the fuck is going on with the US bonds? Bro, that price action's insane. Alright, what would you do in this scenario, boys? Would you long or short?
You have a great life in front of you.
What would you do?
But your great life is in front of you.
Okay, that looks...
It's not behind.
Alright, that looks a lot fucking nicer. Holy shit.
What you did back there.
Let's see if we get the US 10 years to come down. It only makes sense if the US 10-year bonds do come down because of the employment we got recently from the US. It's sort of signalled to us we're going to get a cut of interest rates. GU rebalancing, EU rebalancing. Europe, let's see a continuation of PA here.
Twice. I done seen rock bottom 2 times. I've been through some walls up in here, man. I'm just trying to tell you, man. God is really with you.
Am I
I'm tired
dickhead?
of hitting studio and sobbing on a beat, questioning myself like what does honor mean to me? I'm bowling with my feet, life set me up to fearless like I'm Tommy back in Queens or Steph Curry with no knees. You hate my guts, got mix on vodka with some bleach. Fans are nodding to my beat, I'm not as bothered as you see. Used to be so down, I hid some vodka in my jeans, rode the bus around the ends. Just some dark thoughts, anxiety, and me. And everybody's taking a risk.
Oh, the beat is cold.
You think my 13-year-old self would think I'm famous and rich, but sometimes
The beat is cold.
aim and I missed. In my ends, I'm an A-lister chink. My teenage years consisted of bailiffs and drink, and now I'm in Bangkok with my bay, not my link. I met the bank manager, and he's rating my ting, so well, that's another conversation. Doctor, I've been waiting. Everybody's saying I've been sick for years, but I'm a rapper. I ain't got no occupation. And my main concern's that I'm an imposter in the making. Try bring you in. I ain't got an obligation. Hit a W in Asia.
I don't know about long in GU. I don't really want a long GU, but that comes down decently into that 50%. He used to, hasn't.
I'm on the ground lately. I've been much less understand comparisons. The enemy of success. Been 7 years and people telling me that I'm up next. It's time to pick up both my shoulders with a puff chest. Yo, karma, have you had enough yet? I thought that we was cool. It looked like was in an uptrend. My time costs a lot, and I think we've had enough spent. My time costs a lot, and I think we've had enough spent. Welcome to rock bottom, home of the brave. I hope that you have a nice day. If you ever come back, bro, don't be ashamed. 'Cause next time it won't be the same.
I'm looking for gold to set this 4-hour CRT, then we'll see how price reacts there.
So chin up and don't be afraid. It's rock bottom, the home of the brave.
That's what I'm really looking at for gold, man. Right, Nasdaq actually is not moving one bit. I might as well just stop looking at it. So it makes sense though, bank holiday, less volume, it makes sense. It makes sense. Let's have a look where DXY can trade back into. I think we can still see price move up really. I'm assuming majority of volume will be at the top. I'm good, Julie. How are you, man? Chinese fraud mastermind jailed in UK for laundering Bitcoin. US House returns Washington provides end government shutdown. Hopefully that's tomorrow, man. I'm not gonna lie. I really hope that's tomorrow. Really hope that's tomorrow. Dollar slides, euro and yen gain as US labour market weakens. Yep. JP Morgan employs 120 at digital retail bank in Germany to grow over time. Yeah, bro, that's nuts, innit? So the mastermind of vast Ponzi scheme in China was on. Well, let's actually have a read of this. I want to see this. So this is London Routers. The mastermind of a vast Ponzi scheme in China was on Tuesday jailed in Britain for over 11 years for laundering the proceeds of fraud into cryptocurrency, now worth billions of dollars. I'm not going to try to say his name because holy fuck. You know what? I will. Qin Zimin. Bro, his last name is like a Chinese version of Seaman. I swear down. That is the Chinese version of Seaman right there. Yeah. Bro, that is the Chinese version of Seaman. I'm gonna fact check that after because that's probably true. So Seaman, I'm going to call him Seaman, pleaded guilty to 2 money laundering charges in September after an investigation during the British police seized more than 61k Bitcoin. Alright, so can we lower tax now, guys? We've just taken 61,000 Bitcoin worth over $6 billion. Can we stop raising tax? What the fuck, bro? Surely that doesn't get given to... Who does that get given to? Hopefully we keep that shit. Because holy fuck, that might stop the tax rises. That might stop the tax rises. I wept in the dock at London Southwark Crown Court, which Judge Sally Ann says... You were the architect of offering an interception to its conclusion. Your motive was one of the pure greed. I mean, obviously, man. Fucking money laundering. That's obviously... That is what greed means. Bro got licked by the government. Just. Keir Starmer spending it on rent boys. Man. That's big blood. But why the fuck? Why? Are we still getting a rise of tax, man? Surely that money goes into our system, bro. Like, surely that's now ours. Changed her pleas. It was due to the first ever trial admitting possession. Changed her. It's a woman, bruv. It's a woman. Bro, it's a female. And she's 47. Bro, whose mum? Bro, whose mum or auntie or nan? Bro, fuck me, Jesus Christ. Whose mum who just licked everyone in Thailand? Bro, she's done licks over countries. Malaysia, Laos, Thailand, Myanmar. Man, that's crazy. Man said it's a 47-year-old woman, bro. Man, what the fuck? She's actually finished her periods, blood. She's at that point of her age where she probably should be thinking about... Man, I don't even know. I swear in China they have bare kids as well. So she definitely has utes, man. She definitely has utes. That's crazy. Bro, that's a mad raise though. They're definitely going to keep it where... Yeah, bro, they definitely keep it. They definitely just keep it and spend it on, like, tear asses or something. Or, like, fuck knows, man. Fuck knows. Keir Starmer will probably... I don't know. God knows. God knows. But surely that goes into our system though, innit? Like, surely that goes into our system. But whose mum, bro? Whose mum is licking man for their Bitcoin, bro? That's actually crazy. Sorry, if I found out my mum was doing that... I mean, I'll probably... Fuck knows what I do, man. Menopausal scammer. Bro, that's probably why she's doing it. She's probably going through menopause and she's an absolute bitch. She is a bitch. She probably is going through a menopausal state and thought, you know what, bro? I'm going to scam everyone. Everyone I can for Crippy. Man, that's crazy, man. Man, you man, look in on your mums. Make sure your mums are all good, bro, because they might be the next fucking crypto money launderer, bro. Holy shit. I was not expecting that. I was, man, not expecting that news. Holy shit. Okay. Bro, whose mother, bro? Like, genuinely, like, whose mum? That is someone's mum. Fair play, though. She don't give a... Fuck. She don't care at all, bro. She does not care. Right, bro. What is going on? Why can I only see Albanian news? Mate, what? Oh, mate, you've actually got unticked bears. Bro, I was looking at fucking... Bro, I was looking at Ghanaian and Albanian like financial news, and Israel financial news. Fucking hell, is every country in the world here or something? Fuck me, mate. What news do we have for Ukrainian news, Venezuelan news, Saudi Arabian, Peru, Palestinian territory. Fucking hell. What financial news is possibly coming out of fucking Palestinian territory? Let's actually keep that on. I want to see if they've got any news coming on. Doesn't really make sense, but we'll see. Where's Switzerland, actually? We want to keep the CHF news on. It's quite important. Finland can go, Estonia can go, all those countries. Eurozone can keep, China can stay. I think that's our supply. Didn't even want the dough, just wanted to piss people off. Trust, bro. Bear crypto fund owners coming up dead. Something's cooking. I saw that guy in Dubai, bro. Someone died. Someone got licked in Dubai, man. Found his fucking dismembered body, and I don't know, bro. Why am I saying this? I'm live, bro. I'm gonna get off TikTok. There's no one actually on here anyway. But yeah, bro. I saw some geezer and his wife like fucking dismembered in fucking over in Dubai and buried in like a desert, bro. Oh, Dubai's so safe. bro, this is what I said to my bird the other day, right? This wasn't the other day. This is before I heard about this. And my mum told me about this. I didn't even know about it. My mum told me about it. I'm going to Dubai, though, mates. Dubai is so safe. We should go there. It's so safe. It'd be so nice. Bro, here's shit like, oh yeah, this guy got dismembered and chucked into the fucking... Got chucked into the desert, bro. I honestly reckon women actually don't understand risks. Like, they don't understand risk. They don't. Women don't understand risk. Yeah, crypto millionaires. Yeah, man. It's fucked. Fuck knows why, man. Why do you reckon why that is, boys? Because there's got to be a reason, isn't there? There's got to be a reason. There's got to be. No, we're still not really continuing up. Yeah, gold's taking it now, so we'll see how that reacts. See, Nasdaq went up, continued down, bro. What a painful fucking bit of price action there, bro. Painful. Right, I'm gonna jump off at 3:30, boys. I'm gonna put one tune on, man. I'm gonna put one last tune on. Maybe two, actually. By the looks of the time. Any question you boys got for me? Feel free to ask, man. This is an old banger. Actually. This is it, bro. This is it. Ain't over. Easy's coming for that higher. Yeah, doesn't look like we're going to get a big enough retracement to continue this move on for EUGU. Are we just going to move now, Rev? We've come to the higher volume area, so GU I can see we actually kind of have really come to that area. Yeah, you in danger. To get to the banger. Right, see if we get this trade from GU. I'm gonna get rid of this now. We don't actually need this. Stop right now, you in danger. You in danger. Stop right now, you in danger. Yeah. More 5 minutes there on EU, which is a pain in the nutsack. Is that fair value big enough, boys? Is it big enough? Bro, it just looks like a fucking line. Oh, you know them man that plays trades like this? You know them man there? Right, see this one comes through actually. This actually comes through. Oh shit, my jewels. What's your difference between the size of fair value gaps and order books? What's the difference between the sizes? Wait, what do you mean? Sorry, man. This is how I trade. And if you trade like this, I want to punch your head in it. I bet I want to punch your head in. I bet I want to cave your head in. Han Solo. What the fuck is this line for, bro? Where did that line go? Come from? Is that OTE? Oh, it's OTE. What am I supposed to do between those sizes? If order block or fair value gap is big, medium, or small. Well, if a fair value gap's too small, I don't know how to really answer that, man. I'll be so honest. For me, if a fair value is too small, I just won't use it. Because more time it means prices probably already come back up during the same candle and already come in to fill those orders. So you shouldn't normally see. The reason why we use fair value gaps, right, is because it's a big displacement of price. If the fair value gap's too small, then it sort of takes away the fact of the unfilled orders within the area. Normally you will see a big area because we are looking for a big distribution in one direction, and normally within this area we should have a big fair value, and that's why we're looking to continue price off. If it's too tight, we're probably gonna have like it's just not really a fair value at that point because price has probably already come up and grabbed in. Fuck gold, keep dropping. I wish I ended. Still going. Some fucking idols. Yo, this is coming through. No, this is coming through. Bro, there's no way this tune come out only 2 years ago. Shout out Trippy Red. Yeah, same with order blocks. For me, the bigger the fair value, the bigger the order block, the better. Oh, so they think I want that? Yeah.
So they think I wanna die, yeah, 'cause my dose is suicide, yeah, man, my cover
Dick's White barely come up, man. Barely got the inefficient move of it. It's just annoying, so I was planning on trading equities today, future equities, but yeah, we just bank holidays just not gonna allow any good positions to come through, man. But that is what I'm gonna start doing for these New York sessions, boys. I'm gonna start trading equities. Suicide door, bitch. Yeah, never trust no bitch. Boneless. Yeah. That is a large stop loss amateur. Bro, this is to the tick. Yeah, cause my thoughts are suicide. Yeah. I actually can't even make it smaller. Wait, so see how this plays out. This plays out, this just shows how insane IFVGs are. If this plays out, I promise you, I'll shit in my hands on the stream and I'll eat half of it and give half away to one of you special. Okay, never mind, sorry, I'll say that back. I mean, it's not going to play out, so I kind of don't take it back. I'll give the other half to one of you special people. What is wrong with me, bro?
Can't do this anymore.
Okay, let's lift the mood, mate. Stop fucking listening to Trippy Red. Boys, give me one more tune. I'm going to jump off after this last tune. It's gold retracing back to the 4-hour equilibrium. Thanks. It looks like it. It looks like... Again, we've had a real nice rebalance in the 4-hour, which I've wanted to see. But, again, we need to confirm gold. For me, the gold is... dollar's very weak today. And we still seeing gold bullish. Sorry. We're still seeing gold bearish, which to me makes it very fucking difficult. But I think that pulmonary sell-up has sort of told me that we could start flipping to the upside on gold. Emphasis on the could. I don't think, I mean, Gaza family still without electricity despite ceasefire. We are in a ceasefire within Gaza right now, so that is one of the reasons why it's Russian. Wow. I'm not even gonna, I don't think I can even read that, to be honest. It's a bit of a crazy thing to read. Right, let me just check on my trade, boys. 2 6. It's a real shame. It's a real shame, boys. Generally, boys, one thing I would say, right, like, in all seriousness now, is please don't worry about RR. Like, RR is one of those things, right, well, it kind of does matter to a degree. Like, for me, it's minimum 1 to 2 RR, right? Bare minimum. Bare minimum. But we don't need to be having 11R, 13R, 14R, 15R, whatever the fuck R trades. Yeah, Scum, I had stop loss at break even anyways, so as soon as we got entered, stop loss was at break. So yeah, it doesn't actually massively matter too much. But no, in all seriousness, boys, please don't be those people, man, that go for those bare tight stop losses, man. Bare tight stop losses. Because you will get creamed on, and in. You will be creamed on and in. As you've seen others creamed on. To be fair, thank God I didn't have to eat approximately half of my own poo and then give away the other half. I mean, I don't know what's more embarrassing. No, I definitely eat my own poo is definitely more embarrassing. But both very embarrassing. Me packaging up half of a poo just to send to one of you, man. Or eating half on stream. One's definitely way worse, actually, now I think of it. One is definitely way worse. Let's see if we do get this continuation up, though, if we are looking for price to continue down a little bit deeper into this 4-hour range. Kind of makes sense if we do. This was a banger. It's back in the day. When did this come out? 2 years, bro. This didn't come out 2 years ago. There's no way. Bro, he died about fucking 5 years ago. We're actually still not gone for that higher. AG continuation, surely. Complete wrong fucking thing. My stomach burn. My head from the back. Like Nike turn. She got Nike on her. Look at my bitch, she dance too. Poker says don't do his hands, boo. Damn, I got my hand on my ham, ooh. Damn, I got my hand on my hammer. Bitch, you still looking crazy, a scammer. I'm jamming. Boom, boom, boom. You could definitely get a retracement, sweep those highs. Again, we're more bullish EG. I'm not looking for a huge retracement within this leg, purely for the fact that the Euro just is quite strong right now. And yeah, thank God, BE every time. That's the thing, boys. I don't actually lose. I just BE every time. I'm so far up my own arse. I literally can feel my anal produce shit. That's how far up I'm up my own arse. They talking this be capping. Real shit, that true shit. Real fact, yeah. Had to bring it back, yeah. 1400 and 100. That big faction, pushing it back, that burger on. To this day, you know my song. I want. Wait, why is it not a bank holiday for the fucking whole world, bro? Why is it not a bank holiday in the UK on the 11th of November? Like, for real, like, generally, why? Why not? I actually don't understand that. We've got German CPI tomorrow, which actually looks like a hike of inflation, which is quite good, because again, that goes again, that's quite good for the euro, actually. A little bit of a push up from German CPI month to month. I'm actually barely liking to look at that, to be honest. What you know about? Quarter-to-quarter GDP looking to come down for UK Thursday, which is shit. We actually got no forecast for the year-on-year. Month-on-month and quarter-on-quarter GDP for the UK is looking to come down. Right, to the tick, you man. What do you reckon, you man? Okay, that's actually not... Even like this is just fucking dangerous as shit. I'm gonna give you this example as well. Where did that go? Ah. Oh, who's don't mind it? Don't mind it. Boys, boys, fuck you not. With all of these tunes, yeah, that me and Lou have played on stream, we've actually managed to never, ever, ever, ever on stream say the N-word. Do you know how hard that is when you listen to Sleepy Hallow and fucking Chef? It's actually a joke. Me and Lou deserve like a reward. We deserve the N-word pass just because we haven't said it for so long on stream. We deserve an N-word pass just so we can sing these songs, man. You man, let me know in it. Brown's on. What you know about? Do you know the route? Don't do for like cloud. Please don't call me for nothing. I'm focused on money quick. My neighbors really know sunny shit. Please never act like you love me, bitch. Move it. No, mate, so I'll call you back in the damn TikTok. Okay, I might have lied. What? Say mums I did. Say mums tea. Bro, I honestly don't think I have any. Like on my mama's, I actually don't think I have. I swear down, I actually don't think I have. Like I'll put one on my testes on it. Some of us in the fussy will have to have a vote on if we can give you the pass. In the dissy, yeah. We need a vote. I need a vote, innit? Me and Lou. I think we both deserve passes, innit? I can't fall in love, please don't ask me. Change, don't feel bad for me, bitch. I can turn a good day to a bad week.
You ain't the same, you's a bad breed. You's a bad breed. I stay flexing. She think I'm a sugar daddy. I stay flexing. She like none of these hoes can have me. And I'm texting. I get money, don't need compassion. You don't listen, you learn your lesson. Off a break, I don't feel the pressure.
Oh, what's made up?
Demons calling my name.
Never mind.
Moving like God changed the song. You improving what you saying, huh? Man, I don't really think I changed the door. Started seeing people colors for true. Do me wrong, ain't do no wrong to you. I was down, you was up like a new. But I love it, the bad thing.
I actually barely like the look of this. Let me actually have a serious. Okay, that's not what's his going.
I can't fall in love, please don't ask me. Run it up and never change, don't feel bad for me. I can turn a good day to a bad week. Usually in the same, use a bad breed. Use a bad breed. It ain't even that deep. Hardcore shit freezing like narco. We eating a bad soul shit, demon, no cap. You ain't even wanna talk to me, I was out here with no chat. Niggas ain't wanna start with us, we was pulling up in no black. Say they facts, we fucking she lay on her back. Say that she love me, she get it.
But I'm gonna jump off now, boys. I'm gonna say this EG, guys. I'm gonna keep this on my chart actually. But boys, tomorrow we're gonna be trading futures, Nasdaq, S&P. If you man trade futures, drop me a text, man. I'm still trying to learn how to the best way to trade futures for New York session. I've been looking into the fundamentals quite deeply, and I'm looking for some point Nasdaq and S&P to push up, but we've just fucking not had that. To be fair, we've had the big rebalance to the DXY so far, and I said a big rebalance, that's a lie. We've been seeing a rebalance to the DXY, so it's not really helped the equity markets move, but we are planning a pretty much a big move for that. But yeah, boys, I'll catch you, man, tomorrow. Yeah. Blue should be back live tomorrow, London session around like 8:30, 9. And I see you boys there. I'm gonna go bake off, bun a fucking jack and a hat. Just fucking chill out for the rest of the day, man. Okay, yeah, that was it.